Yo guys, Brian back here with a look at GameFi. This thing is up what, $1.03 for the day. It's at 11.88 right now as I make this video. I left this on here from the last video we did. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was expecting a little bit more of a pullback down to about 9.36. Ended up coming to about $10. All right, and bouncing from there. All right, we have a target area up here for this trend-based fib up at up around $20. All right, we're gonna get that. This we'll see. All right, now it depends on where we really take this wave one starting from. Okay, now if you take it from the very bottom down there, let's get some of this off here. All right, if you take it from the very bottom, all right, start your wave one down here to the top. It's going to give us higher target, okay, to the pullback. All right, pullbacks right there where wave two ends. 1, 2. All right, that would give you a target up there at $29. All right, now I believe the $20 is more realistic, up around that $20 mark. We'll see. All right, it looks like 1, 2, 3. Looks like the fourth wave might be about done, and this should be a fifth wave push up here. I would more likely believe that the wave one started up here, okay, which would go from right here to the top to the retrace. All right, yeah, looking up around that $19-20 range. All right, if it completes this. All right, we got to look at some RSIs and see where this thing is at. We have that overhead resistance that it smashed into here and got rejected. Okay, right up there at what is that, $12.71. Any break of 12.71 and this thing is heading higher. Okay, so keep an eye on that price level. 12.71, it has to break that. All right, then you're looking for higher prices. Then you have a little bit of resistance up here at about 13.50 area, and then that one up at 14.70 area. Okay, and I call them areas because support and resistance are areas. They're not exact prices. Okay, you have areas all through here. Okay, from 1325 to 1355. All right, you have areas through here of support and resistance. But it hit this high at 1271. That is the top of this resistance level right down through here that it hit. So keep an eye on 1271. A break of that and it's going higher. Now what's the RSIs look like? The daily's just starting up. Okay, just starting up. You're getting 12-hour 72 to 43 bullish. You got your 8 bullish 97 and an 83. You got your 4-hour. The 4-hour has flipped bearish at an 82 and an 88. Now see that resistance here? If we zoom in, you can see it hit it at 1271 and got rejected. All right, just like up here, hit it, got rejected. Came back up and we hit it now. I believe it's going to push. I believe it's going to push back up. Okay, it could pull down to this 1123. Let the 4-hour reset, let everything get reset, and then bounce up from there. That would not be a shock. All right, now if we take a fib and put on here, you know, if it gets a pullback from here, I'd be looking for a 618 for a bounce area. Look at that. Comes in right at right about that 1112 mark, right in there. Okay, so if I pull this out a little bit so you can see the price is a little bit better. Where can I put it? 1170. I mean, we're not exact. You know, I would watch right around that 1120-ish area, right through there, 1114 to 1120. You know, you could get the pullback to the 618 here, and then a bounce from there. So I'll leave this on here, but I would definitely be watching for that. Okay, this run up, then you could get a pullback. It could bounce from anywhere. It just depends. Best case scenario, if you're looking to get in, the 618 down here, and then a bounce out of here. So I'll leave it just like that. We'll see what happens. All right, guys, have a very Merry Christmas, everybody, and thank you for all the support through the year. If you haven't yet, please check out my trading lessons. $14.99 for 8 hours worth of content to teach how to do all this stuff. Okay, super important to learn, especially with the bull run coming up. All right. Have a great holiday, everybody. Thank you very much.